Hi, Dr. Trevino and Cindy. This is Bobby. I'm the medic who used to take Turner's injured employees to you regularly last year. I want to show you what I found about your website to help maximize your revenue at Alert. I'm going to walk you through 3 things that Google looks at when ranking websites. When your website ranks, it'll be among the first that potential clients see when searching for your services. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've seen, shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if at the end you simply want to take this free action plan and do it on your own, well, that works for me too. All I ask is that you provide me some feedback on how you think I did and how I can make this video better. So here's your website. I really like your menu options right here. You have home, about, services, contact, and downloads. I'm thinking maybe change downloads to medical forms because that's a high searched keywords that people use whenever they're going through the internet. Another thing that I'd like to see is maybe a push button somewhere with your phone number on each page so that a client can easily contact you if needed. And this brings me to the first thing I want to talk about. When I open Google searches and search clinic in Dallas, I see that it's searched approximately 480 times a month. And the first thing you see here is the ad section. So for the ad section, most browsers nowadays will automatically block it. I blocked mine for educational purposes, but basically, if you pay for an ad, the clientele that you're aiming for will most likely also have it blocked. Hence, you'll be wasting your money on paying for ads that aren't even being seen. And after that section, the next thing you see is the section that's called Google Map Pack or Maps. As we look at this section, we notice that you're not here, and 480 searches is a lot of clientele that you're missing out by not being here. We see that your top competition is the AGAP clinic. Google ranks this section by the number of citations you have. A citation is your business's name, address, and phone number, or NAP. And to be eligible for a spot here, Google needs to know your business NAP. So I know you're asking, hey Bobby, how do I actually rank in maps? Well, to give you that answer, I have a resource that I use called WhiteSpark. The price for a WhiteSpark is about $100 a month, just based on your plan. Here we can see that your site has 31 citations and your top competitor site has 58 competitions. We can find their citation listings by clicking on this number right here, and then we can submit those NAPs to those directories for you. Yellow Pages, Whitebook, and Yelp are examples of citation listings. You can even use your social media business page to list your citations. I noticed that there are automated MedAlert pages on Facebook and Instagram that no one necessarily runs, but I can create business pages that will bring you above your competition. So I'm going to open up Google Word Search again, and the next thing I want to go over is content. So below this map section is called the Google Organic section. Google ranks websites automatically that have lots of content. So this is where I found your top organic competition. I used a word counter and found that Dallas Medical Center Clinics has 559 words on their page, and your homepage has 159 words. You need at least 1,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage for it to be optimized. I have another service that I use called Ahrefs. It runs about $400 a month, and right here it's showing me that your site has 91 monthly organic traffic hits or visits each month and 91 organic keywords. Another thing Ahrefs gives us are backlinks, and that brings us to the third thing I want to cover. Backlinks or link juice is what gives your site authority in Google's eyes. It's almost like a popularity contest. So a backlink is when your site is listed on another website, But it's more than just that. The backlinks you obtain, they work more effectively when you have relative sites linking back to you. So for example, if you have a health and wellness site linking to you, that would be more effective than a restaurant site linking to you since you don't sell food for a living. So right here we see that you have 65 backlinks that are pointing back to your site. So whenever we look at your top organic competitor site, Dallas Medical Center Clinics, we see that they have 1.29 thousand backlinks working for them. They have a monthly organic traffic of 3.8 thousand hits every month, and they have 3.6 thousand organic keywords. The good thing about Ahrefs is that we can get their information by clicking on each number and then once again using that information for our own sites. So in closing, the things that we went over were content, citations, and link juice or backlinks. If you implement these strategies today, you can aim to be number one across Google. So now you have two options. You can take this information I provided you today and take the time to do this all on your own. Or if you want the most effective route and to save yourself time, you can give me a call at 817-705-6286. Dr. Trevino and Cindy, I want to thank each of you for watching, and whichever option you decide, I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon, and y'all have a good day.